Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to take a overview of Weldment tool. So if you are gonna work on a welded assembly by using off-the-shelf tubing like rectangular or channel or I-beam, whatever, and it doesn't matter if you are gonna use the aluminium or wood or any kind of structure. So still for the custom designing in SOLIDWORKS, you have a package which is called Weldment tool. By using that, you can have your custom design. So you can go into the tab section into the SOLIDWORKS, and then if your tab for Weldments is not on, then you can click on one of these tabs, right click, and then go into the tabs, and then you can just turn on Weldments. Okay, so now you can see in the Weldments there are a couple of options. So what we can do is we need a sketch. So right now we have a sketch on our top plane, and then we have this sketch. So I'm gonna go into the Weldment. So first I need to turn on the Weldments. So I would just click on it, and then you can see we have a Weldments in our feature manager. Okay, so now I would go back into the Weldments and into the structural member. So here I have different standard NC, inch, BSI, GB, everything here. So you can choose whatever the standard you want, and into the type section there are different kind of types whichever you want to choose: C channel, L channel, M section, MC channel, or whatever. So let's choose the tube rectangular, and then you need to choose a size. There are dozen of size, so you can choose whatever the size you want. So according to your design, so I would say if I want to choose TR4, and then I need to check what is the sketch where I want to apply. So I'm just gonna select these groups, and then I can select my sketch. So I'm gonna select this size of the sketch. So as you can see, it is centered here, and you can go into the bottom of this feature manager, and then you can see there is an option like you can locate your profile wherever you want. So as right now it is based on to the center, so if you want to change, you can just select the locate profile, and then you can select any point. Suppose I want to select it at this point, so it's gonna come on this point. And if you are okay, then you can just click the green check mark like that. And then if you still want to go back and you want to edit the feature, so you can go back and you can edit feature. If you want to change the type of the profile, you can change, or if you want to select multiple sides, then you can just select the sides like that. Okay, so then I'm gonna click the green check mark. Okay, so as you can see right now I have my whole profile here. And about the joints, sometimes there are butt joints, sometimes there are different, so you can change the joints as well. So let's go into the feature and edit feature, and you can see like there is a pinkish dot here. So what you can do is you can click on that, and then you can just select the what kind of corner do you want to have. So if you want to have end meter, or if you want to have and butt 1 or butt 2, whatever kind of joints you want to have, then you can just choose the style, and you can just click the green check mark. So I prefer meter, so that's why it's meter right now. So I am okay with them, so I am not gonna change them. Okay, I would like to go back into the features and edit feature, and this time I would select a new group, and then I'm gonna apply a tube here as well into the center. So as you can see right now it's almost down to this profile, so I'm gonna just select the location, so locate profile, and then I'm gonna select this point. So in this way I can bring it to the up and equal to profile. So if I'm fine, then I'm gonna click the green check mark. So in this way you can create your tubes or frames, whatever you want to create. We are not gonna cover this in detail, so that's why this was a just overview, and I just want to let you know what are the options and what are the basics of this tool. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.